Hey guys, what's happening? How to edit text in an image in Canva. So to edit text within an image in Canva, use the grab text feature. So I'm gonna click the photo right here, and then you're gonna see the tools at the bottom. Swipe left, and you're gonna see Magic Studio. Press it, and you're gonna see right here grab text, right? We're gonna press grab text, and as you can see, it has like a crown in it. This means that you need to upgrade your Canva in order to use that feature. So if you already have that feature, just go ahead and press grab text and select the text you want to edit. Let's say, for example, this first paragraph, right? And after you press it, after you press the screen, obviously, the Canva will automatically take that text out of the picture without, messing anything in the picture, right? Allowing you to modify the text, font, color, and other formatting options. So make sure to use grab text. Select the part where you want to take the text and modify it, add color, or maybe change the text, right? And or change the size. And afterwards, of course, you're gonna do the same drill. Hit save after you finish, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.